This week marks the first time Sony's Walkman hit store shelves 35 years ago. And with it began a whole new era for music, not just how the world listened to it, but how we would come to think about personal electronics. Decades ago, thin metal bands first started ruining hairstyles and pockets bulged with a new toy, the Walkman. And pretty soon, that satisfying click turned into Sony's portable cassette player was a big hit, offering consumers something vinyl couldn't, taking your music with you, and became the default standard.
Now, the Walkman is the Sony trade name. Some people use that as a generic term, but it's not.
And besides the idea of music wherever you are, it started a new culture.
I turn it up loud enough so I can drown out the small traffic sounds.
Tuning the world out and losing yourself in your music. The Walkman's success kept growing with newer models, even a solar-powered one. And Sony ended up selling more than 200 million units of the cassette models. Today, the brand is far less popular, but still lives on as a line of MP3 players.